Oh,
thousands of them.
oh
yeah.
Lord.
I'm gonna need you to get that done then. Don't worry about what we got going.
Yeah.
This is
I was two
minor
seconds.
compared to what you got going on. It's minor.
Yeah. I was 2 seconds from asking you all to pray for me. Like,
Ooh,
Go
I
for
still
real.
pray for
Go
you
for real.
now.
it's a whole
That
thing.
because
So please,
that is
please.
a situation. That is a
It is.
situation.
Oh, Vitalia, I did put on my shirt for you.
Oh, yay! I love this shirt. I really need her to send me that file. Look at it.
This
Uh-oh.
is
Hold
my
on.
iPhone in my picture.
Sojourning, Harriet,
Wait a minute. Am I on here?
Harriet,
Aw, yeah, I
Shirley,
like that.
Barbara, and Kamala. Got Kamala at the bottom. I need that
Yes.
file.
And then it says, say less, say less, say less.
Hey, hey, hey,
Ooh,
hey.
yeah, I like
Yeah,
that. Like it a lot.
I need that file. I need that.
Yeah, my mama's
Feel like I
fussing at
can
me to make
do
one.
it in
But
a leopard vinyl. That's what I'm thinking.
Come on, leopard vinyl.
yeah,
Yes.
you can get the leopard pattern vinyl. You just have to um you just don't have to reverse it when you flip it. So that's actually easier than other things.
Mm.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information.
Hey, hey.
Okay, I really do need somebody to pray for me because
Yes, ma'am. I got you.
this is
It's gonna be restored. It's not even about it. You're not gonna lose a
restoration,
thing.
restoration, restoration. Lord.
You're not gonna lose a thing, honey. A thing.
Who was that? That's lost
Nikki.
something.
Nikki.
That's Nikki.
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 Oh wow. Do you it have it? Does it save any place else? Because I know like um sometimes my pictures they load up into more than one place.
Well,
Mm,
I was
good point.
freeing up space on my hard drive in Dropbox and trying to organize some things and just trying to file them offline.
Hmm.
But then yeah, I was deleting from places I shouldn't have been deleting. And so my computer said, "Hey, you know you got rid of 8,000 files. Are you cool with that?" No, I'm not.
At the back.
No.
Did it? Did it?
No.
It told you after the fact.
After the fact,
That's messed up.
I came to sit down, color me calm, and my
She was like,
Ain't nothing
digital
calm
nightmare.
about this at all. Ain't nothing calm
Mm-mm.
about this.
mm, mm, mm. And I'm not going to sit here and say, "Well, the Lord maybe wanted me to start over." No, I'm not claiming that right
No,
now.
he didn't. He didn't want
I'm
you to
not
start
claiming
over.
that.
Not with
No,
no
no, no,
8,000 files. No,
no, no,
ma'am.
no.
I'm just gonna do scan today because I do need to get on my computer and do some work, do some preparations for tomorrow. Ah,
Oh my goodness. I
What
probably
is
need.
happening? What's wrong?
Huh?
I said, what's wrong?